Hi dear friends, today I'm gonna teach you how to make these cute little spider webs. You can use them for any Halloween celebration decor you might have. They're very easy to make, inexpensive, and the best of all, you can save them for any year because you can store them flat, saving storage, and they're very cute. So let's do it. The first thing we're gonna do is work with our paper. It's a poster board that I found in Michael's. It's very thin and the brand is Royal Brights. The size of the poster board is 22 inches by 28 inches and the cost was 99 cents per board. You're gonna get around 6 spider webs from each board, because we're gonna cut a square per spider web. So if I'm making one spider web, I'm gonna do one square that is gonna be 12 inches by 12 inches, and if you are working in another scale, it's gonna be 30.48 centimeters by 30.48 centimeters. Okay, first thing with that square is folded. You're gonna fold it this way. We're gonna match one corner diagonal with the other corner, forming a triangle this way. So we want to make sure that the sides are matching and the corners are matching this way. We are going to obtain a triangle this way. So we're gonna get the first triangle and then we're gonna fold it again and we're gonna obtain a second triangle this way. We are going to match one corner again with the other and one side with the other side, and we're gonna get a second triangle. Of course, it's gonna be smaller than the first one this way. And after doing that, we're gonna fold again. We're gonna fold one corner matching to the other this way and one side. This corner is gonna be thicker, of course, because there are more paper, but you're gonna make sure you're gonna fold it very well, okay? And you're gonna get a third triangle. Obviously, it's gonna be smaller than the first one and the second one this way. Okay, so now we have our third triangle and we are going to print our pattern. In any regular printer at home, you can print it. However, don't use regular paper because it's going to be too thin. Use cardboard. It's going to be better because now we're going to cut it. You will see that the pattern is a side of a spider web, and usually we see it this way. However, we're gonna use it the other way. We're gonna use it like an umbrella. So your guidance is gonna be the spider. The spider is gonna be looking down, and we are gonna use it later as an umbrella. Remember that because it's important when we cut it. Okay, so we're gonna use this tool, an exact. Please be careful when you use this tool because it's very sharp. I actually don't like kids using it because they could be very sharp. It's a knife, but it's very useful. So this outside parts of the figure, you can use a regular scissor. However, when it comes to the inside areas, it's better to use the exact. So now we're gonna cut this way very carefully, using, of course, protection for your table because you don't want to damage any table. And we are going to put our camera a little bit faster so we can save time doing this. In the meantime, I'm going to ask you to please like my post if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be having more projects like this every week, and I also share my travels to creative destinations. So if you would like to watch that, please subscribe to my channel and activate the notifications. And we're going to continue getting our pattern, because this is going to be our guidance later to make our spider web. And it's ready. So we go back to our small triangle, and we're gonna work with this white pen that I have here with our pattern. So we're gonna trace the pattern on the triangle starting on this corner. It's very important that we use a start from that corner down, because that is the center of our square. Okay, if you do it on other of the corners, the spider web is not going to be good when you cut it. It's going to be separate traces of paper. So you really need to start on this corner to the other side of the triangle. I'm going to make a closer look of the triangle so you can see where I'm going to start. And this pen is a white pen that I found in Walmart, but you can use any crayon, anything that marks your black paper or your triangle again. So what we're going to do is trace the spider web. As you see, you're not tracing the whole figure, you're tracing just a part of the pattern, just this little vein that we see here. We're going to trace it, and the other side as well. And this is the same thing that we're gonna do over and over until the last one, this way. So what we really need from the pattern is just a small area that we need to trace on the paper. This pen is a gel pen, and as I said, I found it in Walmart. It's very useful when you're tracing over dark color paper because it's white, but it's not that expensive either. It's made in Japan. I think it was a good deal. I don't remember the price, but it was very it was a good price. It wasn't that expensive. So this is the way that you are going to get your tracing. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 areas. Okay, 8 areas, and we are going to cut it with any scissors. The first scissor is kind of for thick projects, and this scissor that I love is from Scotch. Is gonna be a good one. You don't need any special scissor. This one is very nice because it's lightweight. I found it in Amazon. As I said, it's a Scotch, and I love it because you don't have to be sharpening them or anything. I have been working with it for a long time. I think I have like 2 years with it, and it's cutting perfectly every time I use it. So, and it's very lightweight, it's ergonomic, so you can use it and you're not gonna get, pain on your hands or anything. So it's a very nice scissor. I found them, I think I found a package of 4 of them. I don't remember if there were 3 or 4 at the same time, but they were on sale and I just decided to try them, and they were very nice. So now I think I rebought them. I bought them again for a second time, and they even come in colors. You can get them in blue, in pink, any color, and green if I'm not wrong, and they're working perfectly. So the other scissor that I showed you at the beginning is for like thick projects. You can use that one too. I think it's Fiskars. However, I don't think you need it for this one, because as I said, the paper, the poster board that I'm using is not that thick. It's very thin, and you want it thin because of this, because you're gonna fold, because you're gonna cut, and for that you cannot use a material that is thick. That happened to me when I was testing materials for this project, and I used like a fabric that was very black. It was beautiful, but it was too thick, and I was using another board that it was too thick, and it was very hard to cut. So we don't want that. We want something that is firm, stable, like this one, but at the same time is thin, so you can cut it easily and fold it easily, or the opposite, fold it easily and then cut it easily. Okay, so now we are going to extend our spider web, and you will see how it looks. It looks very cute, at least in my opinion. They're cute. So now, very carefully, we are going to extend our spider web, and voila, you have it. See, that's why it's important to do it from that corner to down, because otherwise it's not gonna get this form when you extend it. It's gonna be separate pieces, and you don't want that. Okay. And to hang them, you just need nylon and tape. They're very easy to hang. Just make a little hole in one of the sides, put a little nylon string on it, and tape it. They're lightweight, so you don't need any sophisticated tool to hang them, and store them flat, because when reusing them, you want them to look in good shape and flat for your next decoration. And that's it. That's my project for today. I hope you like it. I hope you can decorate many areas with them, and that you enjoy my video, and happy Halloween for all of you. Bye!